Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. Tender melt-in-your-mouth beef and potatoes in rich Thai curry, slow cooked in a rice cooker. With Indian and Malaysian influences, this curry has everything we want. A perfect blend of savory and sweet with aromatic warm spices. Let's begin. We need about 3 potatoes. The waxy varieties are the best for slow cooking as they keep their shape. Peel and chop them into generous bite size. Don't chop them too small, as they'll fall apart when slow cooking. Roughly chop a medium-sized brown onion. We need 20 grams of pure palm sugar or brown sugar. I'm just going to shave them thinly with a knife. Next, we're going to prepare the beef. I have here 850 grams of chuck steak. Let's season the steak on both sides with salt and pepper. If needed, trim some fat from the steaks. Leave some on as they'll keep the steak juicy when slow cooking. Roughly chop the steak into 2.5 centimeter cubes. Chuck steak is a tougher cut as it comes from the cow's shoulders. It has good amount of fat, which makes it ideal for slow cooking. It's time to brown the beef. Heat up 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil over high heat. Add the steak and brown both sides. You may need to do this in batches, but I'm too lazy to do so. Love the sound of that sizzle. We want a nice brown crust. Doing this won't dry the beef out. It's still going to come out tender and flavorful. Transfer the beef onto a plate. We're going to use the same pan, so I'm going to remove some oil. Add 3 minced garlic cloves. Fry for a minute over medium-high heat, then add the onions. Next, we want some good quality curry paste. I use the entire can, that's 114 grams of curry paste. Cook the paste for 2 minutes. Add a cinnamon stick and a star anise. All those lovely warm spices, it smells so good here. I'm going in with 1 can of coconut. Stir to combine until the curry paste has mixed in nicely. Just look at that color. Time to stir in the palm sugar. Stir to dissolve, then remove from the heat. Let's transfer everything into the rice cooker and let it do the hard work for us. Potatoes, browned beef, curry sauce, a can of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of tamarind pulp or puree, a tablespoon of fish sauce. Give it a nice stir to combine the ingredients together. This is ready for the rice cooker. Head to my website for instructions on how to cook this with a traditional slow cooker or by using a stovetop. Select the slow cook option. I've set it for an hour, so we can see how the curry looks. The curry has changed to a deeper color. The oil has started to separate from the coconut. This is exactly what we want. However, the beef isn't done. It's not yet tender. Let's set the slow cooker for another hour. Two hours later, oh my goodness, smells utterly incredible. I'm salivating. The sauce has gotten even richer. The beef and potatoes are beautifully tender. Taste your curry. Adjust it to your liking by adding salt and pepper if needed, or squeeze some fresh lime juice to balance the richness. I topped my curry with roasted peanuts, coriander, and a few slices of red chili. Visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Have an amazing day.